pizza cravings, I've got the perfect place for you. Hi guys, it's me again for another day, another cravings. We're here at Angel's Pizza San Jose del Monte Branch. Akala ko dati pizza lang ang ino-offer nila pero they also offer chicken, rice, pasta, and desserts. We tried their newest variants, the sushi baked pizza. Ang sarap nito guys, perfect to sa mga mahihilig sa shrimp and sushi. We also ordered Angel Supreme and Big Kahuna Hawaiian. We also have their palawak platter. Grabe, nagulat ako, ang dami pala nito. Pero mga 4 persons pwede mag-share sa platter nila. We also tried their chicken. Grabe yung chicken nila, sobrang laki ng mga parts, kaya sulit na sulit. For the desserts, we have their makapuno ube pie and sabaconelo. Sobrang hilig ko sa ube, kaya sobrang nagustuhan ko to. Hindi siya nakakaumay kasi sakto lang yung sweetness ng ube and makapuno. Yung sa Baconero naman, sobrang creamy. Sobrang perfect to sa mahihilig sa magatas na desserts. You can order through GrabFood or download their mobile app